SpaceX's ambitious Starlink project reaches new heights. On October 16th, SpaceX successfully deployed 28 more Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit, expanding its growing network. But this launch had a unique twist. The mission, dubbed Starlink 1052, blasted off from Cape Canaveral in the early morning hours, marking SpaceX's 130th Falcon 9 launch this year. This came just hours after a launch for the Space Development Agency in California. But here's where it gets interesting. The launch time was pushed back, adding a layer of suspense. With over 125 Falcon 9 launches in 2025, SpaceX has dedicated 91 of them to building its Starlink constellation. This particular launch added 28 V2 mini satellites to the existing 8,600, according to expert Jonathan McDowell. And this is where opinions might differ. Is SpaceX's rapid expansion of its satellite network a cause for celebration or concern? The weather cooperated beautifully with a 95% chance of favorable conditions, and the landing zone for the Falcon 9 booster, B-1095, was deemed moderately risky. This booster had already flown twice before, supporting 2 Starlink missions in 2023. SpaceX's drone ship, Just Read the Instructions, caught the booster mid-air, marking its 138th successful recovery, and the